Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can insert a fav icon onto your website. So if you don't know what a fav icon is these small icons here that you see once you are on the website. Let's see if you come into I'm on my YouTube channel right now at the moment. So this icon that you see up here, right? Again, you see this icon that is up here. So that's what we call a fav icon. So before we get started, I just want to ask you that if this is your first time, then please consider subscribing and please hit the notification bell so you get notified every time we upload a new tutorial. With that being said, let's get into today's video. And I just want to come on to here, and now I want to come to my file. As you can see, this is my text editor. So in here, I already created a simple HTML structure, right? So you can see we only got this. And then you got these two, hello world, and then learn how to insert a fav icon on your site. So I have it in here. If you come into my website, I have in here, right? So now that we are here, if you come into our image, we have this image here. So this is the image that we are going to be using as our fav icon, right? So now I just want to come into my text editor, and then in between your header tag, your opening, and then your crossing header tag, that's where you go. And then I just want to come down here. The first thing I want to do is create a link, and then the first thing that I want to do is add a red attribute, right? A red attribute. Now with this red attribute, I just want to call it an icon, right? And then the next thing that I want to add is just the type, right? The type, this type I want to make it an image. Make sure you type image there, / I want to make it a PNG, right? And now the next thing that I want to do is just add a ring tag, so href, right? And then I know if you come into here, I know my image is inside my, if you come outside here, I know my image is inside my image folder there, and then this image with the name of logo one here, right? And then the format, we know it's our PNG. So if you open this, right click, and then you see the property, you can tell that the type is a PNG, right? Perfect. So come back into our text editor. So now the first thing that we want to do is, we know it's inside our image folder, images there. So, and then the name, we know it's logo one.png, right? And then you close it off, and then save, right? Save that. Now let's come into our browser here, so, and then refresh, just look up here and then refresh. Now if you see, you got your icons there, your fav icon now there, it's now showing up there, right? Perfect. So that's just how you add a fav icon to your website. So again, let's say if you're working on a big website where you have like 100 pages or something, so you have to, and you already know that your fav icon have to appear on all your website pages, so you have to add it on each page of your website. So yeah, that's all you really needed to know. I hope by now you know how to add a fav icon to your website. So yeah, with that being said, that brings us to the end of this tutorial. I hope you find this video helpful. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up, leave us a comment down below, and if this was your first time, then please consider subscribing and hit the notification bell so you get notified every time we upload a new tutorial. So with that being said, that brings us to the end of this tutorial. I'll see you guys in the next video. I'm out. Peace, love, and unity.